Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and today I'm going to show you how to drought-proof container gardens using an old t-shirt. Yep, so here's what you do. Here's the old t-shirt. You can see I've cut off strips from the bottom. So these strips now are cotton jersey material, and these strips of fabric absorb water and will actually transfer the water to my container gardens that get very thirsty. Now, in this container garden, it's not that big of a pot, so it dries out rather quickly. But where I'm going to set it, I like to have it, this is at the very end of this video, I like to have it up on the shelf by the waterfall. So what behind it, where you can't see, I'm going to have these cotton strips going into the waterfall like a wick, but you won't see it, it'll be in the back, and it'll be pulling water out of the water feature and watering this plant. So first of all, let me show you how I'm going to do that. I got to get this Japanese forest grass. By the way, I'm using a root pruning saw. You can use a hacksaw, and I'm cutting all around the edge of this Japanese forest grass that's been growing in the same container for about 3 years, and it gets really full of roots. So there's not very many spots to actually have a lot of potting soil to have moisture. So I take the whole thing out. Okay, now you can see how many roots there are, so it can't hold much water. But here's where these cotton strips come into play. So in the bottom of this pot are 2 drainage holes. So what I'm going to do is simply take the strip, make sure it comes up through the drainage hole. You have to push it through with this. Okay, and now that whole cotton strip is going to have moisture in it because this end of the strip is going to be in the water. So that way I can go away for 4 or 5 days not worrying about watering my potted plants. Now this works best on plants like Japanese forest grass. They're not that thirsty and they have a very extensive root system. Therefore, the roots will find the moist cloth. This one comes through. So now you can see I have cotton strips coming through the pot, and 2 tails are going to be coming out the back of the pot and going into the water. So now I'm going to do a little pruning here with a hatchet because I want to have more room to add some fresh potting soil. Tear that apart. Sometimes I'd have to saw it as well. And you don't have to worry about damaging the roots on a plant like Japanese forest grass. When it has such fibrous root system like this, you can just saw away. And this clump that I'm sawing off, I can put this in a container. Okay. There we go. This clump can go in a container, and then I'll add some fresh potting soil, and this entire container garden is going to go back up on that shelf by the waterfall. Okay. Okay, this one I can share. This goes back in. Some fresh potting soil. I'd add a little slow-release plant food like Osmocote, so I won't have to worry about fertilizing it all for the rest of the summer. And now, see my tails? You'll see how this looks back up on the shelf. Japanese forest grass is a perennial. The big leaves will come out, they'll flow down. It'll look like a living waterfall itself at the top of the waterfall. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens and a trick for watering less this summer.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.